Hello everybody, welcome back to an edition of the Modicon EdgeIO training. I'm your host Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can integrate the Modicon EdgeIO into the RIO ports of the Modicon M580. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to access into the actual configuration of the Modicon EdgeIO that we saw in the previous videos. Okay, so let's go to the web interface. So this is the IP address of the Modicon EdgeIO I'm working with. I'm going to access to the security admin and administrator 1 asterisks. Very good. So this is my configuration, the auto configuration. I have enabled the protocol mod TCP, and in the island setup, I've been doing this mod TCP server enable. What we need to do now is to enable the VLAN. Okay, it's something that we need to do. So that's it. So I'm going to download this. Download. You can do in that way or use this icon to directly download. So I'm going to be offline now and then proceed over here. Okay, so in this configuration I have the M580, I have the NOC card, I have the NOS. So what I'm going to do is to remove the NOS card, disconnect, come on, the cable, put it here, I'll remove the NOS, I'll remove the NOS, I'll remove it. Then I'm going to remove the NOS from here. Delete module. Yes. So I should be able to add this into the RIO port. So it's already added. So as soon as you add one, it will add it over here. But now I'm going to delete this one. A new one. Add EdgeIO. Add TTM. My EdgeIO. My edge and the RIO. Okay. Here what we need to do is to change the IP address. 90. Okay, yeah. So now reveal everything. The other thing that you need to do, I explained this in another video. I should explain that on this one. So I need to access to the security editor. And as soon as you are here, you need to add into the certificate list the EdgeIO, as I have done. So just add IP address, press this one, you should be able to see there, and you just click and draw certificate. Okay, very easy. So now what I'm trying to do is to try to connect to this one. Let's see if it works. Connect. Okay, try to connect. So admin, no, it's security admin, administrator 1. Just the IP address. Device already connected. Visible. Okay, do not panic. Log out. changes. And try it again. Security admin, administrator 1. And it's log. So now what I want to do is to retrieve the auto configuration, everything it has. So load data from device. When I do that, then I should be able to see a new device DTM with this MyS RIO with a lot of things. Okay, so load data from device. Okay, now, so if I'm going to map using the alias, I'm going to link analog input. Okay, analog input, this one, to this internal variable that it is. So if I go here, select temp1, and it's already linked, you see this arrow. So let's build this reveal, because I have done a modification. Download this. So now I'm going to connect this one animation table. See, it has test value 8. EdgeIO, I have the connection, which is fine. Is the other one, and then digital input, everything is fine. If I have 255, EdgeIO, what is the value? Which one have linked to this one? Okay, you can see I have this one on the temperature. Okay, this one is protected a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is to link this to another one. 3. To delete this one. And add it here. Temp. Yeah, I need to make a download event. Okay. Here you can see how it changed. It's the same variable. So if I remove this, you see that the freshness on the top is 0, so it means that I don't have communication. Now, if I put it back, okay, put it back, it's back again, and it's working fine. Okay, so the other thing that I wanted to do is, because I'm connected to the service port, now I'm going to connect to the RIO port. To see the same. Yeah, it's working fine. It's on the RIO port. Just wanted to show you that. You can see it's working fine. Change the value 9 to 10. So that's what I want to show. So this is how you can use this on the RIO port on the Modicon M580. That's something, for example, with the STV, Modicon STV, we didn't have the chance. Okay, but this is how it works. So far this concludes the integration of the Modicon M580 with the Modicon EdgeIO. Okay, as you saw, it's very simple, very straightforward. Yeah, we just need to check the version of the Control Expert, the version of the firmware that you have on the CPU and in the software, and also the security editor that has the certificates in order to use it on the Control Expert. Okay, and that's it. Very easy. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.